Achieving the perfect balance of home comfort and energy efficiency starts with a properly configured schedule. If your environment doesn't reflect your daily routine, a few simple adjustments can make a significant difference. Welcome to PartsHnC. This video walks you through how to set up your programmable thermostat so it works around your lifestyle instead of forcing you to adjust temperatures constantly. When the thermostat powers on for the first time, it will prompt you to set the year, followed by the month and day, using the plus or minus buttons and confirming each step with select. Next, choose between a 12-hour or 24-hour clock format, then set the current time the same way. Holding the buttons allows faster scrolling. Press home to return to the main screen. To control the operation, press the mode button to switch between heat, cool, or off. On some systems, you may also see an emergency heat option. For scheduling, press the menu button to enter advanced settings and ensure program is turned on. Choose a schedule type such as 7-day, 5-2, or 5-1-1 based on your lifestyle. Each schedule includes 4 time periods: wake, away, home, and sleep. Select a period, set the time, confirm it, then choose your desired temperature. The thermostat will guide you through both heating and cooling schedules automatically. If a period is not needed, simply turn it off. Press home when finished, and all changes save automatically. You can temporarily override the program schedule by adjusting the temperature or using the hold option, and cancel it at any time to return to normal scheduling. Fan settings can be switched between auto, which runs only during heating or cooling, and on, which provides continuous airflow. Think of this thermostat as an automatic comfort planner that quietly manages temperatures throughout your day. For more HVAC guides, step-by-step tutorials, and genuine replacement parts, visit PartsHnC.com and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Thanks for watching.